guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm making a Halloween snack, you would say. It's actually going to be like a cup kind of. So first you're going to need a cup, a marker, a Ziploc bag, a food hammer like this, and then you're going to need Oreos. You're going to need like some the Kit Kat minis unwrapped, and then you're gonna need like some marshmallows. But okay, so you guys gonna watch this? If you're watching this, please subscribe. Please subscribe. If you're watching any video, then this subscribe. Or I don't know. Subscribe, or a spider will come inside your house, or a haunted house party inside your house, and everybody will haunt you. I'm really gonna work on that Halloween voice. Okay, so let me go get some Oreos. I'm gonna get a Ziploc bag and marker. Let me go get my marker. Wait, I forgot I have my writing paper. Where you go? Okay. You can, wait, don't open it. Don't cut a hole inside of it, or it won't work. Okay? So, gonna grab a marker and this is my marker. Okay, is this over there? Is it usually over here? No. I don't know where it is. My marker? Okay. Oh yeah, I found my marker. Okay. And I'm gonna go get the cup. Okay, I'm gonna go get his hair because I can't reach it. A cake. People don't know my age. I will never tell you guys because secretly maybe robbers. So next time I might do another sister face reveal in here actually. Okay, let me move this chair so I can get the chair up and moved to the other area. Okay, I'm sorry. Just cut that out. I cut that out. Okay, I'm gonna cut this out. It's black. It's black. Something. Later I'll play Roblox, but not a video, because it's so hard to do it. I don't want to do all the steps, like fixing my charger. Okay, I got my cup. You're going to use your marker to draw a face on the cup. Let me draw one. Okay. And then you're gonna put some Oreos in a Ziploc bag. How much Oreos you want? Pick. Just pick. I'm gonna get 5. So, watching this? Yeah, just 5. I will cut that out actually. Actually, the part I just said I'm gonna cut out, I'm not. Because I was funny. And I like funny things. Okay, let me smash it real quick. Okay. Smash on both sides. And sorry if you saw my hand. Flip it over. Crunch it. There. But before you put the Oreo part in, you're going to want to put in the Kit Kat. You can put it in any way, but actually I'm going to put Kit Kat first. So the Kit Kat can be at the bottom instead. And should we skip oops the Kit Kat? Actually, I'm going to get some Kit Kat in. Okay, I got so much. And then I'm going to put the Oreos on top of it, and then put some marshmallows on the real top of it. So it can look real, like a real Halloween snack. And, or you could just put some decorations where it says, because I found this out in Nickelodeon, but I made my own kind of snack thingy. I just knew you can make snacks inside a cup like that, the design. And now, for last, put the marshmallows. Where's the marshmallows? Okay, alright. Okay, I already put the marshmallows, but you might not see it. So, yeah. Actually, let me actually put it in, because I'm tricking you guys. I know you can too. And when things people can't see, yeah, it's funny. Thanks. That's supposed to do with prank. You're gonna put 4 marshmallows in, and then you're done. So I'm gonna end the video right here because I actually made my thingy right here. Here, look on top of it. Wait, let me. Okay, see it? That's the stuff. Then you just saw the face. You're gonna use this kind of hammer. A kind of hammer like this. It can be any material or color. It just gotta be a hammer. And then that's all for the video. Like the video if you enjoyed, or at least subscribe. Oh yeah, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe for more. If I come up with any plans, I will make a video, guys, okay? I'll make any video. But I'm a kid, so I don't have Twitter or Facebook.